Hey friends, welcome back to I Am Not a Doctor, where I am not a medical professional, but I will give you the honest truth about wellness culture. And today, we are talking about the skinny shot, Ozempic. Celebrities like Elon Musk, Chelsea Handler, and even TikTok influencers are openly backing it. They're calling it a miracle for weight loss and blood sugar. So, how do you get your hands on it without going to a doctor? And better yet, how can you get it for free? The main ingredient in Ozempic is semaglutide. Semaglutide is a synthetic compound designed to mimic GLP-1, a natural hormone in the human body that helps to regulate blood sugar and appetite. So, what if you could naturally boost your GLP-1? This would mean no harmful side effects, no out-of-pocket cost, and no wasting your time at a doctor's. If you are interested in learning how to boost this hormone and hack your health for weight loss, stick around. GLP-1 is produced naturally in your gut after you eat, and it works wonders by helping to regulate blood sugar. It slows down how quickly food leaves your stomach, which helps to prevent blood sugar spikes and keeps you feeling full longer. High levels of GLP-1 are also linked with reduced cravings, increased insulin sensitivity, and a steadier mood. Essentially, it helps your body respond better to the food you eat and helps curb those snack cravings. Now, Ozempic works by mimicking GLP-1, artificially enhancing those effects. But like most synthetic options, they come with potential side effects like nausea, gastrointestinal issues, and long-term risks. The good news? We can achieve these benefits naturally by making a few targeted changes. Let's talk about how modern habits can mess with our natural GLP-1 levels. Listen, I get it. Sugar is delicious. But diets heavy in sugar and refined carbs cause these quick, intense blood sugar spikes and crashes that leave your GLP-1 levels feeling totally frazzled. A diet high in sugar can essentially exhaust your natural GLP-1 response, making it harder for your body to balance blood sugar and keep hunger in check. Processed snacks, yes, even those healthy granola bars, don't stimulate GLP-1 in the same way healthy fats and protein do. By avoiding saturated fats, you are limiting the amount of GLP-1 that you can create. Chronic stress can also disrupt GLP-1 and other satiety hormones. When cortisol is high, your body goes into fight or flight mode, making you crave sugar, which can dampen GLP-1's effects. It would seem that our modern society is setting us up to have chronically low GLP-1. Most of us are eating sugar, stressed, and grab a cookie from time to time. Here's where the free Ozempic part comes in. There are several ways to naturally boost GLP-1 levels without needing synthetic help. If you've been waiting for an excuse to enjoy a juicy steak or some butter on your veggies, here it is. Fatty cuts of meat, eggs, and fish are GLP-1's best friends. Protein and fat stimulate GLP-1 more than carbs do, and they keep you fuller longer, reducing those snacky cravings. Modern foods like cereal, sweets, and anything that comes in a shiny package are built to spike your blood sugar quickly. Even swapping out your morning bagel for eggs and avocado can make a huge difference. Fasting, even in short periods, can help increase your GLP-1. Giving your digestive system a break signals your body to stabilize blood sugar, which can also help with cravings. Even something simple like a 12-hour overnight fast can help get those natural GLP-1 benefits. This just means if you have dinner at 6, you don't eat again until after 6 a.m. This is the easiest way to start fasting, and it doesn't mean you have to be awake and starving. Moderate exercise has also been shown to increase GLP-1. This doesn't mean you need to start training for a marathon. And in fact, I would advise against that. Try adding walking to your daily routine. You would be surprised at how just adding in a 20-minute walk every day, especially after a meal, can help with digestion and weight loss. When we break down what we are doing to hinder GLP-1 production and how we can increase it, there is really no need to subject yourself to being part of a worldwide science science experiment by taking Ozempic. There are a whole host of side effects that come with trying to synthetically enhance our hormones, and with Ozempic, these things include nausea, chronic bloating, acid reflux, and something super scary called gastroparesis. Gastroparesis affects the stomach's ability to contract and move food effectively into the small intestine, resulting in slow or incomplete digestion. Essentially, your stomach becomes paralyzed. When you support your body naturally, you are actually healing your body. We are getting to the root cause of why you had low GLP-1 in the first place. Your body will naturally regulate how much is being produced, so you never have unwanted side effects. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. There isn't a world in which you can continue to eat the way you have been, take a pill to cure all your ailments, and have zero side effects. Contrary to what celebrities and doctors may tell you, Ozempic is another band-aid on a society that needs an actual cure. I challenge you, before you take the shot, try some of the above options and see how changing your routine can change your body. Switching up your food, adding in a bit of exercise, and reducing stress can give you the same benefits without the side effects. Let me know in the comments if any of the above strategies have helped you achieve your weight loss goals or what you're going to start to implement. If you like this video, please share it with a friend and subscribe. This helps me help more people. Finally, remember, you are in control of your health. It just might take changing everything you thought you knew to get to where you want to be.